Hi guys, this is Simon here from Simon and Bradley Gaming, and we're on the boat
Really not hungry.
with my dinner. I got a little cake. I just wanted to try. It's got a little cream thing with a grape. Got Coke. I got chips with gravy. I got everything I need. I got my football. I got magic
Do you
sand.
not need me? Am I not something that you need?
Huh? I can't be quiet because I'm doing this.
I didn't say be quiet. I said, do you not have me? Am I not something you need?
Yeah, I have everything I need. Everything I need. Everything. The boat hasn't even moved yet, and we've been in here for like a half an hour. It took forever to get here. It took like 4 hours to get here. And what time are we going to be at Wales at? What time? We're going to be at Wales at past
Then with
5.
another hour and a half's drive.
And then we got another hour and a half drive to get to the caravan. And then there's like a big swimming pool on site and segways and everything. And it's going to be awesome. We're going to be doing that. I don't know if we're going to be able to record it unless someone like carries my phone. So, yeah. I'm trying to eat my cake. My cake is very yummy. I think that's a cheesecake.
It's not cheesecake. You don't like that? Let me do something.
No?
I knew you wouldn't like that. It just cost me a fortune.
It didn't cost you a fortune, it cost you £1.
Here. You not want it.
It's a hoarded. Swallow it.
That's what you get, sir. That is what you get. He demanded that over there.
I've already been sick on the way here.
So I just try and keep down people.
Guys,
Doesn't it?
we're gonna end the vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.